Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, and in behalf of my team, Mocha Family Farm Our Learning Center, welcome to this training, Integrating Drip Irrigation Technology for Sustainable Urban and Peri-Urban Agriculture. It is truly inspiring to see many individuals like you to come together with a shared goal to grow more food efficiently, sustainably, and meaningfully in our urban and peri-urban spaces. Sa panahon po ngayon na mataas ang presyo ng pagkain at limitado ang ating mga resources, learning how to use water wisely is not just a skill, it is a necessity. Over the course of this training po, you will learn the fundamentals of drip irrigation technology, how it works, its component, how to assemble a system from scratch, and how to troubleshoot and maintain it na rin. But beyond the technical, we'll explore how this method supports sustainable food production even in a small and difficult spaces. May hands-on activities, meron kayong mga group sharing, may mga real-world applications. Because we believe in learning by doing, and syempre, growing by sharing. Siyempre naman on my part po, ang focus ko yung importance din ng educational technology. Ito yung mga modernong pamamaraan ng pag-manage ng mga learning content and how to deliver them. So our team will use Padlet po in this training. You will set up an account and my team will help you with how to set it up. And you will document all of your learning activities there. We will share all the RP's presentation there. And actually, you can do some learning activities there. Kagaya po ng gagawin niyo mamaya sa leveling of expectation or baka ginawa niyo na to. Finally, I hope this training experience will plant new ideas and inspire actions in your own gardens and communities. I hope you will all participate actively and be open to new ideas and collaboration with each other. Small farms and gardens, kapag pinagsama-sama po natin ito, ay pwede siyang maging solusyon para sa mas ligtas, mas masagana, at mas makalikasang kinabukasan. Welcome again, and let's make every drop of water and every training moment counts. Enjoy because this training becomes more meaningful po pag masaya tayo. Thank you everyone and good luck po sa inyong training.